few other guests also who feel very passionately about this subject, about plasma donation and the problems that are being faced and the road ahead, because that is the most significant. I want to welcome Dr. Sandeep Buddhiraja, Group Medical Director of Max Healthcare, Dr. Mufazzal Lakadwala, bariatric surgeon and founder of the dedicated COVID hospital at NSCI Dome for BMC, and Vivek Jain, India head of the KAB Welfare Foundation. Thank you so much, gentlemen. Let me begin with you, Dr. Buddhiraja. You heard Dr. Guleria, what he had to say. I also have Anuj Sharma. He's a plasma donor. And I think people like Anuj Sharma must most certainly be celebrated in these circumstances. So if you allow me, doctors, I want to begin with Anuj Sharma. Anuj, you have been a donor. Do you think that this is the pressing need of the hour? I mean, there are people who under normal circumstances donate blood. It is seen as a form of charity. There are problems associated with that blood also reaching the desired. But here lies a very, very difficult condition where there are so many variables. You have to be a coronavirus recovered patient. You don't have to be positive. You have to be negative. And the blood group has to be the same. Do you think it should be the top priority of everyone like yourself to recover and donate?
देखिए साहब, नर सेवा नारायण सेवा है। मैंने 2 बार अपना प्लाज्मा दे दिया है। मेरा लोगों से ये कहना है कि जब किसी की जान जाती है तो उसके परिवार को पता होता है कि उसके यहाँ से कोई एक ऐसा कम हुआ है जो उसको प्यार करते थे, चाहते थे। जिसने डोनेशन करनी है उसके अंदर एक विल पावर होनी चाहिए। उसको पता होना चाहिए कि इस समय दुनिया के ऊपर एक संकट आया हुआ है, हम अपने मानव समाज के लिए कुछ सेवा कर सकते हैं और भगवान ने उन्हें मौका दिया है। एक उनके अंदर जब वो भगवान के आशीर्वाद से ठीक होके आए हैं, इस परेशानी से निकल के आए हैं और उनके अंदर एंटीजन बने हैं और वो किसी को देने से किसी की जान बच सकती है, तो उनको पॉजिटिवली उसके अंदर आगे आना चाहिए। अगर उनको कोई डर है, कोई शंका है, उनको अपने डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट करना चाहिए। या कोई पुराना प्लाज्मा डोनर है जैसे हम है, या इनफैक्ट एनडीटीवी अगर दिखा रहा है, इसलिए दिखा रहा है कि उन लोगों के मन में कोई ऐसी भ्रांतियां हैं वो दूर हो कि उनकी सेहत को कोई फर्क पड़ेगा या उनको आगे कोई दिक्कत होगी, तो इससे वो डोनेशन करने से, आगे आने से किसी की जान बचती है। ये बहुत बड़ी बात है, उनको पता होनी चाहिए।
ओके,
और सबको आगे आना चाहिए।
ओके, Dr. Buddhiraja, where exactly did we go wrong? I mean, do you think, and we'll just in a very little way try to delve into the past and then look at the future, but do you think we could have adopted a different strategy when we had?
I think as a medical professionals, we delayed accepting the utility of plasma, first of all. So it took us several weeks to come to that understanding, yes, this is one therapy which can work. All of us know that there is no definitive therapy as yet in the world for COVID, and there are a lot of things which we are trying in an armamentarium. And an open arm acceptance of plasma as one of the therapies which could have potentially worked should have happened much earlier, based on the data from various countries. So India had an advantage of 6-8 weeks, almost 3 months, as compared to other countries from where we could learn from experience. We wanted to try it in-house, wait for studies, wait for results, to then reach a rather soft conclusion that yes, it does work. So that's one thing I think we could have done better. Second is, the spirit which Mr. Anuj has shown is something which we as Indians are lacking. You know, at least in times like these, each citizen of the country should be just with having one focus, how we can serve our country, our people in these difficult times. And I think blood donation, plasma donation is the simplest of the things which can lead to saving 2 lives per donation. So I think this has to go far and wide. Everybody has to really propagate that.
Right.
Now, I'll give you an example. At Max Healthcare, every patient who gets discharged, prior to his discharge, he's consulted. We have a special backend team who keeps calling these people, keep motivating them so that after 2 weeks, when they are fit, they should come back and donate blood.
No, what is the stigma? Dr. Buddhiraja, I want to understand from you, what is the great stigma? Because, you know, under normal circumstances, you'll have people rushing to donate blood. There are blood donation camps. What's the stigma attached with donating plasma?
So I don't think there's any stigma with donating plasma. First thing is, unfortunately, there's a stigma attached to this disease itself. So people who have recovered are so scared of this stigma That's number one. There's really not coming out of that trauma. Second is their apprehension that, I have just recovered from a major illness. Now, if I go back to hospital
want to go back to the
donate plasma,
Right.
will I get infection again? And what does it entail? How complicated is the procedure? What complications can it cause? So we have to tell people that it's an absolutely safe procedure. It just takes about 30-40 minutes to
Okay.
separate out plasma.
Dr. Mufassal,
Yeah.
Dr. Mufassal, do you think that's the problem? And going ahead, and let's talk about the future now, going ahead, maybe taking a cue from what Dr. Guleria suggested, why should people who want to donate plasma even have to go to the hospital? Get all the certification and let someone come to you. Is it possible?
I think there's a lot of half-truths and mistruths around this and how they donate blood, because a lot of people don't really know when the antibodies come in. There's a lot of negative thing that there might be a second wave, and if you give away your antibodies, you'll never develop it back again. And whatever chance you had of saving yourself the first time, you might not be able to save yourself the second time. And that's the big problem. Again, people don't really know that if they were to donate that plasma, it does not affect them in any which way, right? They can either give whole blood donation, wherein you donate the blood, or you can just do plasmapheresis. Now, plasmapheresis, for example, people should know, and that's the knowledge that needs to go out, that you don't take the entire blood out. You will get back, though it might take longer than regular blood donation, you will get back all the components of your blood other than your plasma. Sans the plasma, you'll get back everything. And it does not harm you at all. So I think we need more government-backed regimes, social media awareness around this, that you are actually going to benefit someone from dying just the same way. And I believe that if you've already become a hero by fighting this corona and saving yourself. You want to be a superhero, it's your time to go out and help those in need.
Well
and
said.
We do know now that at least in some cases, plasma therapy does help you.
I think one must associate, first of all, allay the fears, Vivek Jain, and also present people as if this is an act of bravado. This is a great nationalistic thing to do, because that's a great buzzword these days. Vivek Jain.
Yeah. So, CAB Welfare Foundation is engaged into blood donation, other activities, and we are doing it under the name of Kamala Arora Blood Donation Drive, and we have been motivating people to donate blood. And when it comes to plasma thing, we are finding it very difficult to motivate people, because whenever we talk to them, they say that my mother is saying that please don't go, my wife is saying, my children are saying that don't go, and we keep on telling that it doesn't affect your health. Instead, it will save 2 lives, and you can donate plasma 2 times. So with one donation, you are saving 2 lives, and if you donate 2 times, you will be saving 4 lives. But the problem is this, that there is so much of, you can say, a euphoria kind of a thing is going on, that plasma donation, by having, plasma therapy, you will be cured. It's just a clinical trial. We have to accept that, and it's not going to harm your body for a plasma donor. So that's another thing that they should be told. And
Okay.
the most important thing that's going around is this, that we are suggesting methods to people also. Those who are coming to us for plasma donation, we are asking them that if you are not getting plasma donor as per your blood group choice, you can always share those choices to us, and we will counsel them. We will motivate them to donate, so that at least some life is saved. Someone is saved.
Absolutely. I think from what Vivek Jain, Dr. Buddhi Raja and Dr. Mufassal seems to be saying, Anuj Sharma, is that this stigma around donating plasma has to go. Now, you have a first-hand experience of having donated plasma. I want to know from you, what is the stigma? What have you learned? Did your friends or family members tell you, mat jao, don't donate? अनुज,
मुझे लगता है कि मेरे साथ तो ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं आई, क्योंकि मेरे घर वालों ने ही मुझे मोटिवेट किया जाने के लिए। पर मैंने जिन लोगों से फोन में बात की, उसमें 2 तरह की प्रॉब्लम आई। पहला तो उनकी फैमिली मेंबर्स को ये लगता है कि उनकी सेहत खराब हो सकती है, उनको नहीं जाना चाहिए, क्योंकि घर में जब लोग रहते हैं तो उनको लगता है कि इसको कुछ देना है या तो कुछ लेना है, तो देने में सब लोग सोचते हैं कि ना दें। दूसरा, मुझे लगता है कि उनको ये लगता है कि जो आसपास के लोग हैं, अपने दोस्त हैं या फैमिली मेंबर्स हैं, अगर उनको प्लाज्मा की जरूरत पड़े तो उसके लिए मैं अपना प्लाज्मा डोनेशन को रोक के रखूं, जब उनकी बारी आएगी कभी जान पहचान के आदमी को तब दूं। मैंने कल भी किसी को बोला कि आप पहले डोनेट कर दो, जिसको जान जा रही है उसको पहले बचा लो, जब आपके आदमी की बारी आएगी तो समाज सामने से निकल के आएगा, उसको भी बचाएगा, तो पहले आप उसको दे दो। तो इसी को समझाने में चल रहा है।
I think fear versus sense of community versus confusion, there are a number of things at play over here, but the point is that if the government could launch a massive campaign to force people to wear masks, if the government could launch a massive campaign on the phone telling people that you have to fight the disease, not those who have been ill because of this illness, hame bimari se ladna hai, bimar se nahi, then I guess it will take a government campaign around plasma to get people to understand that it's their moment to become a superhero. Thank you very much, Dr. Mufassal, Vivek Jain, Anuj Sharma, as well as Dr. Buddhi Raja. Thank you so much for joining us on this broadcast. That's a wrap in this edition of Trending Tonight, but news will continue on the other side.